Hi there. In this video, I'll guide you through how to add contacts to your smart lists automatically, using triggers and automation. Let's start by creating the smart list. First, go to the Contacts tab and click on the Add Filters button. From the list, select the tag filter. Now choose the tag you want this smart list to be based on and click Apply. Your smart list will be created and all contacts in your database with that tag will automatically appear in the list. But we don't want to add tags manually every time, right? So next, let's automate this process. Go to the Automations tab and create a new workflow from scratch. Add the trigger that should place contacts into the smart list. This could be a newsletter sign-up form, a trigger link, or any trigger you prefer. For this example, we'll use Form Submitted and select the form we want. Now add the action. Add Contact tag and choose the same tag you used when creating the smart list. Click Publish and Save. From now on, whenever someone fills out that form, the tag will be automatically added to their contact record. Because your smart list is based on that same tag, they'll instantly appear in your smart list. No manual work needed. And that's it. You've just learned how to create smart lists and automatically add contacts to them using automation. For more help and resources, visit our support portal or reach out to us at connect@pulsesgrowth.io.